What's the rule on selling CDs or DVDs, especially if they're slightly used? Can they still be returned for a refund?
If you're a smart seller who wants to really make a lot of money on eBay, you will offer full returns at all times, no questions asked. If the buyer is fraudulent, they return a different CD, eBay will protect you. There are ways to protect you that way. But in general, here's what you do with returns. Every marketing person on earth understands the following truth, and it's counterintuitive. The longer you give free returns, the less likely a buyer will return something. The longer the return time window that you give free returns on, whether it's a CD or a dress, the less likely the buyer will return it. This is because if you give 7 days return window, they don't even have a chance to even try it. And they're already worried about getting their money back. And just in case it's bad, I'm going to ship it back now and later I'll try it again. If eBay offers a maximum of 60-day free returns, that's what I have on all my listings. If eBay allowed a year of free returns, every one of my listings would be a year. And if eBay offered a 10-year free return policy, every single one of my listings would have 10-year free returns on all items. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.